I started thinking this week, there are people that I hate for stupid reasons, and they're not
Mm-hmm.
necessarily inherently problematic, but like they're problematic to me. I would love to talk about problematic people. So that's what we're
And
doing
not
today.
just like people in general,
Yeah.
like celebrities, influencers, like people like that who we just don't like for a reason or are actually problematic.
This is low-key just a little burn book, like for celebrities. Because
Exactly.
it's
Yeah,
like whoever
we're
I think is annoying is on this
that day,
list.
honestly, like when
Yeah,
we're coming up with the list, it's whoever we hate this week.
exactly.
It could
Uh,
change all the time.
And just to preface, if there's anybody that isn't on this list that you think should be added, I would love to see it in the comments because Erin and I were talking before this, and truly, I could probably find something I don't like about any celebrity or
Yeah,
influencer. Like, even just one stupid thing, one bad
exactly.
ad that they did,
Honestly,
and it's like
like
over for me, you know?